Easter spring decor is finally done, and it feels so soft, fresh, and full of joy. I wanted this space to feel like a calm Easter morning. Light, peaceful, and full of little happy details. So I started with the colors, soft pastels everywhere. Gentle pinks, baby blues, fresh greens, and warm whites. The kind of colors that instantly make you feel relaxed and happy. Then I added some Easter touches. A few cute bunnies, some tiny eggs, and simple decorations that don't feel too much, but still bring that festive vibe. Fresh flowers were a must. They bring life into the space so effortlessly. Even a small bouquet can make everything feel like spring has truly arrived. I also switched to lighter fabrics, cotton, linen. Everything feels more airy and soft, perfect for this season. One of my favorite parts? The little DIY details. A simple jar with flowers, a small Easter setup. Nothing fancy, but it adds such a personal and cozy touch. And of course, natural light. I opened up the curtains and let the sunlight fill the room. And suddenly everything just glows differently. I kept everything minimal, clean, and clutter-free. Because spring is all about that fresh start feeling. It's not about doing too much. It's about adding small, meaningful touches that make your home feel warm, peaceful, and full of life. And just like that, my home feels like Easter. What's your favorite part of Easter decor? Let me know. And follow for more cozy, simple inspiration.